Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate your scanned document using a printer or scanner. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's jump into it. First, open the scan menu, and in the scan menu, you just have to go to the scan settings, and at the scan settings section, here are the rotations, and you can choose from all these different rotations. As you can see, you can scan it the way that you have placed your document in the scanner, like this. Oh, sorry, the wind. So if you use this option, it is going to, the scanned document is going to have the same orientation. If you choose this one, then an horizontal document is going to become vertical. Now, if you place your document upside down, you can scan it the other way around, or if you scan an horizontal document like this, you can make it vertical like this. So that's pretty much it. You just have to save your settings and tap on OK again, and tap on start, and you are pretty much done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.